overheating. This is more important because I'm going to align you and show you the basic information and simple things that you may be able to do regularly to prevent car overheating. So these things are more important because overheating causes a lot of problems, and you know what overheating can do or do to your car when it comes to car engine overheating. So the first thing you have to do early in the morning or weekly, that you're supposed to check the levels of your water, and this is more important, and doing that will ensure you to know that there's a quantity water or coolant in your radiator. So first of all, if you do that and you are able to conquer that, then you are good to go and you are safe to move. So this is what you have to do. This episode, I'm going to show you how to prevent overheating from your car, and never try to experience one because it is very dangerous and it is very crucial. And the causes of it, we all know. Those that have been experienced this before will tell you the reality of overheating or in overheating. So if you are first time here on this platform, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new video on this platform. We always help people to provide them quality information about car and auto enthusiasts. So around the world and around Africa, Ghana as a whole, we are here to broadcast everywhere, and this is what we are trying to do to help people out there. So the first thing you have to do is to check your radiator. There is the water, and then the second thing you have to do is change this thing every year. That's the radiator cap, because there is a valve here which operates to separate the bubble from the water, and also will direct the water when it was shorting in the main tank. So the water also has access to operate this water to the main tank to prevent overheating when it's needed. This is why it is more important for you to check it or change it once in a year. It will help you, and it will provide you, and it will also prevent you and give you better cooling system on your car. So it is very important for you to check this thing on your car or change this. You better change it. Again, moving forward, you have to check your radiator fan anytime you start it after 30 minutes to ensure that the fan is working correctly before you can continue to go wherever you want to go. Those that using air conditioning for the first time, automatically it will start, and you have to ensure that the fan is working to prevent overheating from your car. So these are some of the things we want to share for you. And you also need to check leakages on your radiator tank. Maybe there is an important thing you have to do, and if you don't have access to do that, you have to go to your local mechanic to check this for you once a while to prevent car overheating, and make sure you use long life radiator coolant or anti-rust coolant so that it can help your engine and prevent everything from rusting. Doing that will ensure you, and that will also have an inspection interval for every 2 years. So you need to change it every 2 years so that it can able to prevent all this rusting, and it's also prevent from overheating, because a lot of things happen, so many frictions happen when the engine is on the run, and these are the things that help us to prevent from this overheating. We are heading towards to 3K subscribers, and this is our target before the end of the year. So make sure you subscribe and share this video. Don't forget, if anything I didn't mention in the video, please put in the comment section so that we will come back and read it and give you the feedback, because we take our audience feedback more seriously on this platform. It's headquarters center worldwide, the one automotive channel, and this is the headquarters of the automotive channel that will give you and allowing you auto and vehicle experience. We solve people's problems. So in any area on this platform, we are there to help you to get better understand and get inside, so that you know that you have able to solve your problem one another. So it's quite, I mean, interesting channel, and we are here to continue to help people out there. So never mind, you can reach us, and everything we put in the video description. If you want us for assistance, if you want to, I mean, if you need a consultation, you can hit us, email us, or put in the comment section. We will also leave a contact down there in the video description, so that you can able to reach us in all our social media platforms. On Facebook, it's Eric Auto TV, Instagram, Eric Auto Center, Twitter, Eric_Auto, and the ultimate YouTube, Eric Auto Center. So this is what we have for you today, and this is what you have to do, I mean, to prevent your car from overheating. If you know you have this kind of problem, check what I've mentioned and what I have told you, and do it regularly, and you experience something good, and you get better result from this. Never try to, I mean, use your car for the whole week without checking water. It is very risky, and it will end up spoil or condemn your. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.